Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is another unboxing video that I'm going to do of a couple things I got from the Passion Planner. And as you may know, I have gone back to bullet journaling. So I have the bullet journal that I started for April, for the end of March, beginning of April, that I've been using. And it's been working fine. The issue that I'm having is that I have to create all of the daily pages from scratch, which I'm okay with doing now because I do have the time to do that. But I have a feeling that I'm going to get behind at some point, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do then. So I decided to get the daily planner from the Passion Planner to try it out to see how I like it. And if I like the daily pages in here, what I'm going to do is keep bullet journaling for monthly and weekly tasks and things, you know, goals and things like that, and keep the Passion Planner for the daily spreads. That's my plan. So let's get to unboxing this, well, taking it out of the plastic. And I got this in the color Calm Gray, as you can see, and it is A5 size. Let me hold this closer. It's A5. It's an undated daily planner, A5 size, which means 5.8 by 8.3 inches. And it's enough room for 93 days. So we are just going to take this off and see what we are working with. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that this page was stuck together and something happened here. The cover page got ripped somehow at the bottom here. I mean, that's not a big deal, but that's interesting. So when you first open it up, it says, there's a page that says who, what I'm grateful for. And there's dot grid for you to write in this area. Then there's a place to put your name, information about how to use the Passion Planner daily, and then let's get into the layout. So this is write your own ideas here, free space inspiration, date started and date completed. And then we get into the roadmap. So this is, I'm assuming, prep work that we will do. I don't really know. Yeah, this is for goal setting, which will be interesting because I also got the Cultivate What Matters goal planner, but I have that for goal setting, like major goals and action steps to reach those goals. So I probably won't use the Passion Planner for that. If I fill this part out, it will somehow be incorporated with the Cultivate What Matters goal planner. I'm not going to come up with different goals for this planner. It will be the same ones that I used in the other one. Then we have the perpetual calendar, and then the monthly calendar for the first month that we are using this. And then we have space. I don't think you can really see that. Let's zoom in. So we have the month's focus, and then personal and work, people to see, places to go, things to learn. And then underneath the calendar, you have personal projects and work projects. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use this for work also. This will probably just be a personal planner. So I probably won't use the work section. I'll use the work section for hobbies and things like that instead. And then on the right-hand side, you have the right-hand side of the calendar. And then you have this little area that says, break it down, create a mind map of this month's game changer. And then you have space to write in there. Then you go into the self check-in, and it says, what's on your mind? Rate this month from 1 to 10. Memorable moments, accomplishments I'm proud of, and how I've grown, the biggest lessons. This is something good to do monthly, I think. So I'm glad they put these questions in here. This month's game changer goal, and then you define your goal, brainstorm a mind map for it, and fill in all the details for it underneath. So let's zoom out so you can see the layout of these pages. There you go. And then you get into the next month, the same thing. So the monthly layouts. Oh, and then after you get through 6 months, I'm assuming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months. 4 months, okay. Then, is that really 4 months? Yeah, it's 4 months. 1, 2, 3. 4 months, you get to the yearly. Since you started this planner, how was your year? How has your year been so far? What has brought you the most challenge? What has brought you the most joy? What do you want to dedicate more time to? These are the questions along the side here, and then you have pretty good amount of space to write to answer those. Then we get into the daily pages. These are the pages that I see on Instagram a lot. So if you've been on Instagram, on any planner community, you will have seen these pages. I'm excited to use this. So what we have is today's focus. Well, we have the date here on the right, today's focus up here on the top left, my game changer goal, personal, work, free space to grow. This one says self-maintenance, best thing that happened, today I learned, today in one word, and then a space to rate your mood. And then on the right-hand column, you have the times from 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. And I appreciate that it doesn't label AM or PM. So whether you work morning, afternoon, night shift, you can make this work for you. I probably don't utilize all of these times. Actually, this encompasses all of the times of the day that I utilize, so this will be very useful for me. And I do like to plan out my day to the half hour, what I'm going to be doing. So I really like this. And when I do my bullet journaling, I struggle with this because I don't want to write down the times of the day every single day. So I just write to-do lists, but then I get kind of lost in the organization and prioritization of my tasks. So this will help me stay on track throughout the day to make sure I'm actually making time for everything that I have to do. So I'm really excited about this whole left-hand page. Again, the space that says work, I'm not going to use this as a work planner. I have a separate planner notes area that I use for that. So I'm gonna make this for my hobbies and things like YouTube and Instagram and things like that that I have to get done. Other than that, this page is pretty much what I wanted out of a daily planner. Then we have this other page, which is the space of infinite possibility, where you can basically do whatever you want. It has dot grid paper, and it's a space for you to brain dump, write notes, draw pictures, put stickers, really do whatever you want to make it yours. And then we basically have the same layout all throughout the rest of the planner until you get to the end, which I think they said it covered 93 days. And then after those, you have plain dot grid paper. So there's plain dot grid paper for you to do with what you want. Then we have a back pocket that had these goodies in it. This is a sticker. It says it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. Okay. And then this postcard, which has information. It has a coupon code on the back that I can use on my next purchase. So I'm going to do that because this planner is only going to last me about 4 months. And then it also has this strap that you could use to close it like that. It also has this bookmark, which I don't know why. It's in this bright green color. I do not like it. I do not like this at all. I don't mind having a bookmark. I know there are some people who cut off the bookmarks because they really just don't like them. I don't mind them, especially on these daily pages. There are no tabs or anything, so I definitely need the bookmark. I just don't like this color. No, that's not working for me. But that's the planner. The other thing I got, which you know me, so I got a sticker book. So we are going to look at the sticker book I got from the Passion Planner. It's the nature sticker book, and we are going to do a very quick flip through of this. So let's see what we are working with. These are cute, like a little campfire theme. Quotes. Plants. This is why I got the sticker book, because these plants just look so cute. Notes areas. Nice. Oh, I like the gold foiling on here. More plants, more notes areas. Oh, these are nice. Hydration tracker. Washi tape. Icons. Deco. Quotes, cute pictures, rainbow, mushrooms, animals and plants, more quotes, more leaves, more flowers and plants. And then it looks like it repeats, just with the different color scheme. More icons. And that is the end of that sticker book. So I am going to, well, actually, I'm not sure. I'm gonna continue bullet journaling in here until until I get tired of it, really. Until making the daily pages every day gets too much. Then once that happens, I'm going to move into the Passion Planner. I want to try to fill up this, but I don't think I will be able to keep up bullet journaling that long. So the Passion Planner is going to end up being my daily planner that I use. The bullet journal will be for a monthly and weekly planning. And then, like in the last video you saw, I have the Cultivate What Matters Power Sheets Goal Planner. And this is where I'm going to track my major goals and action steps for those. So this will eventually become my planner lineup. Right now, I'm still just using the bullet journal. I haven't yet gotten into my power sheets. That's still on my to-do list. But yeah, that's actually all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.